The first one was a little bit disappointing.
Disappointing? You won't say that.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to the fam. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe down below. My name is Mir, I am almost 19 years old. I am a young artist from Malaysia, and in this episode, which is the third episode of Inspi-artsy, we are going to do someone special. We are going to make a painting of a famous YouTuber here in Malaysia, which is Aishah Habshee. You guys may know her. And yeah, this video is a little bit overdue. I'm really sorry about that. I've been quite busy, but it is here now, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so before I tell you the process of me making this stencil art, I am first going to tell you on how I managed to make a painting for a very known YouTuber in Malaysia, which is Aishah Habshee. So the story started a few weeks back. I think she posted a video of her room tour, and in that video she mentioned that she bought a frame and she wanted to find someone to make a painting or a drawing of her, a portrait of her. And I kind of make portraits as well, so I thought, okay, why not I just go hit her up on Instagram, DM her, you know, the luck might just be on my side. So I did that. It was actually 2 a.m. I felt sorry for interrupting, but I got excited at the moment. So I DM'd her, and long story short, things went exceptionally well. It was the craziest night of my life. I was like, man, this is crazy. So we made a deal. She didn't want me to show her the painting that I'm doing. She wanted to be a surprise. So that's what I did. She sent me some pics. I did the painting. I shipped it out to her. And yeah, you're watching how I made the painting. So let's talk about the process. Here I'm doing the second layer. I'm sorry, it's the third layer. The third color of the stencil. So the first one I did a light cream color. It's for the lightest layer of the face, and then the second color is slightly darker, and the third color is slightly darker. That's how it goes. And then I'm starting with the brown color here for the more detailed features of the face. As you can see, it's really not that hard of a process. What you did is you cut the stencils out according to the part where you want to color a specific color on it, which is the more detailed parts. It gets darker. So here I'm using a darker shade of brown for the darker parts of the facial structure and the hijab. And now you can see me peeling off the small bits of the stencils on the eye part, which is so satisfying. Alright, last layer is the black layer. I always use black for the last layer. It's the most detailed part, like the pupils and just the little detail that needs to be black, the shadows or anything. And wait for it. So good. Alright, now the background. I am using a medium shade of brown here. If you noticed, I used a few shades of brown for the whole painting. I don't want the color to run too far off. I want it to complement each other. And right here I'm doing the name Aishah Habshee, because Aishah mentioned that she likes my Billie Eilish painting. I put it right there, and I put her name, so I thought, why not put Aishah's name as well. Since I'm using white for the name, I had to do a few layers to make sure you can see it, so that it's quite bold. And then at this moment I realized I messed up. You see that thing right there? Yeah. On the last layer, I tore the paper, and well, here you can see me trying to fix the mess, trying to make it seamless, But then I realized it just doesn't work, and I didn't want to give something that is not perfectly nice to anyone, so I decided to make a new one. And I figured you guys won't want to see this same process all over again, so I'll just show you the finished product of the second one. It's just the same painting I did all over again. Here it is. Alright guys, that is how I made that painting of Aishah Habshee. The first one was a little bit disappointing, but nevertheless, the second one turned out quite well. I really like it. If you guys like it, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what I should do next, subscribe if you haven't yet. I told that, but yes, please do it. I'll post more of this kind of videos in the future, and maybe something else as well. You can comment down below what kind of videos I should do. So yeah, I sent those two paintings to Aisyah, and this is her response. I also asked her for a picture of her with the painting because I forgot to take one afterwards, and she was kind enough to send this picture. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed making it as well. This is such a wonderful experience. Thank you very much to everyone who came here from Aishah Habshee. I really appreciate your guys' support. Please stay here with me. I'll post more great content for you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye. This episode, which is the third episode. What is this? This is 2. That is how I made that painting for Aishah Habshee. The first one was a little bit disappointing.
Disappointing? You won't say that.
If you guys haven't already watched the last episode of Inspi-artsy, go check it out. Link in the description below.